Did you know that your subconscious mind holds incredible power over your thoughts, feelings, and actions? If you're someone who is interested in personal development and unlocking your full potential, then The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy is a must-read for you. In this book, Murphy explores the concept of the subconscious mind and how understanding it can transform your life. With practical techniques and real-life examples, he guides you in harnessing the power of your subconscious mind to achieve success, happiness, and abundance. Through the pages of this book, you'll discover how your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality and how you can reprogram your mind for positive change. Murphy explains the power of affirmations and visualization techniques, showing you how to use them effectively to manifest your desires. He also delves into the importance of gratitude, forgiveness, and the subconscious mind's role in healing the body and mind. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind is a timeless classic that has impacted the lives of millions of readers worldwide. Whether you're a beginner or have already dabbled in personal development, this book offers valuable insights and practical tips for creating the life you desire. So, if you're ready to tap into the limitless power of your subconscious mind, make sure to grab a copy of this book. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with future book summaries and other empowering content on this channel.